Today we are going to be unboxing a cool 1/14 scale King Hauler semi. I am super stoked. Cannot wait to do this kit. I am super stoked. So anyways, I'm going to show you the size of the boxes. I have my second camera here running, so it's one side of the box. The other side of the box is a little harder than I thought it would be. That is super cool. Super awesome. That side of the box there is the same. The front you guys have to see from that angle. And then the back is just a brown cardboard box. So I've already ripped the plastic off of this, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And I love the box art on these Tamiya trucks. I think the box art is super awesome. So, that right there is what it looks like, boxed up. I know there's already videos out there, but I've noticed a lot of the videos had, I don't know, a lot of them were in different languages and stuff like that, so I figured I'd make an unboxing. So these look like it's our side step bars, maybe our top lights, our tanks. Here's a quick look here. Yep. There's that. More stuff looks like our caps for our side gas tanks, our side steps, more of them, you know. Pretty neat. I do like the chrome. Have not decided color that I'm doing with this truck yet. I have no idea on that part yet. Really haven't decided. Looks like this is a lot of suspension type stuff. There's that. Looks like front bumper. Grill, bunch of that stuff, bunch of your, yeah, that's about it. Front bumper, grill, you know, all that good stuff. Man, that grill is massive. I am so stoked to do it on a semi, guys, you don't even know. Looks like our windshield. It's kind of like a tent. Try to put it against the box so you guys can somewhat see it. And the body, which is massive and kick butt, cool. That is awesome. I'm planning on full-blown this semi. My goal is to have the sound kit for it, a trailer, everything. It's going to be the works. Alright, let's get our frame rails out of the box here. Alright. There's our frame rails. Get a close up. Like I said, I don't know if I finished saying this, but this truck here, my goal is to make this a complete workhorse truck. I want this truck to do some, you know, basically just be a workhorse. And there's our sticker sheet decal sheet, I should say. That's cool. So it looks like we have some reading material and our manual. Look at that semi. Tough. Ooh, is that awesome. Give you guys a quick glimpse. Alright, set that there. Now we're going to bust into some of the cool stuff here. Some of the metal parts. This looks to be some type of metal antenna. Hopefully you guys can see that. I didn't even think about lighting. I hope the lighting is actually good. Let's take this box out. Get down there and out of the way. This here, the motor, the suspension parts, the stacks, the gears. Looks like they have all the suspension and all that stuff really cool. Tape off of here. And looks like this is our front rims. Some of the lenses. Trans casing and housings and axle housings. So you guys can see those. Rear wheels. I honestly have no idea what that is. I know this being black, it's really hard for you guys to see. Should have got some tan lighting. My bad. Looks like some transmission gears. Probably some more transmission gears. And our interior, our back door, our back hatch for the actual back of the semi to get the battery in and out, or mess with the sound kit or whatnot. Awesome. I honestly have no idea what that is. Guess we'll find out when we go to build it. This looks like it's the bottom tray to hold the battery. Yep, it's the battery tray and the other miscellaneous parts. It's that box, so we'll go ahead and put this stuff back in there. There's the front of this box here. Looks like we have our rubber tires and all that good jive money stuff. Looks like this is a lot of our metals. Here's the rubber tires. Man, my lighting sucks. Okay. Of course, we have a bunch of those. This box is literally full of that, and it also has two more down at the bottom. They even give us a box of liquid thread lock. Some more miscellaneous parts. There's F-bag, screw kit. Alright, so this is all miscellaneous parts. I could not tell you what a lot of this stuff is. I'm sure a lot of it has to do with like suspension. And of course some more screws for your screw kits. Put everything to put the truck together. I do like how everything's labeled. Everything's labeled quite nice. guys seen on my previous thing I've done, I actually do have an unboxing and a build of CC01. So I have built a Tamiya kit. I think that's the only Tamiya kit I've actually really truly built. This one is, of course, there's a lot more to this one. Oh, this looks like it's our trans motor plates. And they actually got some grease in here, some zip ties, some more miscellaneous parts. Another bag of bushings, which eventually will probably get upgraded to bearings. Some more gears. I have no idea. Again, no idea. Lots of parts, guys. Lots of parts. And last but not least, it looks like the grill mesh. Some toothpaste sticky tape. Is that? Oh no, that's our mud flaps. Nice. Some mud flaps for the actual semi. There is some toothpaste sticky tape in there. And the white right there, that's the mud flaps, and then the strip of toothpaste, then the mesh. And then guys, in the rest of the box, like I said, are all the rubber tires plus the tire. There's 2 more tires behind that. So, that guys is the Tamiya King Hauler kit. I will be doing a build series. This is not going to be like the normal style build series. Most of it will be pictures, stuff like that. If there's something that I ran into, like an issue that I couldn't really tell on the book itself, I will, instead of doing pictures, I'll actually do a video talking about that part, maybe in between the picture slideshow. So that's kind of my goal of how I want to do my build on this semi. Otherwise, I think if I did a build, it would end up being really long, stretched out, and I'm just going to basically be following along on the book just like anybody else would. But like I said, I'm just really excited. I want to do a video, so I'm going to do a video. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys coming out and checking out my truck with me. Lots of videos going to be done with this truck. We have an event coming up. Oh, I should have looked it up. I cannot think of the name of the event. There'll be another video out before this, and I will explain what the event is. But it's happening in Indianapolis, which is happening in August 27th, I think, is when we're going. Me and a few buddies. So I'm really stoked about that. Really excited about that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. But enough of this video. It's going on now for a little while. I don't want to stretch this video out too much longer. But that is my Tamiya King Hauler kit. If you like what you see, put a thumbs up down the bottom. If you have any comments or any questions, please feel free to post them at the bottom of the page. And that's it, guys. I think that's going to do it for today. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for coming, checking out the video. We'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Make sure you remember to subscribe when you get all your RC needs all in one channel.